Getting a good night's sleep is crucial for overall health and well-being. Quality sleep impacts mood, cognitive function, and physical health. If you're struggling to get the restful sleep you need, there are several strategies you can adopt to improve your sleep quality. Here are some effective tips to help you achieve better sleep. 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. One of the most effective ways to improve sleep quality is to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends, helps regulate your body's internal clock. This consistency can make it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally, leading to more restorative sleep. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. A calming pre-sleep routine can signal your body that it's time to wind down. Incorporate activities that promote relaxation, such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing gentle yoga. Avoid stimulating activities like watching television or using electronic devices right before bed, as the blue light emitted from screens can interfere with the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. 3. Optimize your sleep environment. Your sleep environment plays a significant role in sleep quality. Ensure your bedroom is conducive to sleep by keeping it dark, quiet, and cool. Consider using blackout curtains to block out light, earplugs, or a white noise machine to mask noise, and adjusting the thermostat to a comfortable temperature. Investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows can also make a substantial difference in how well you sleep. 4. Be mindful of your diet. What you eat and drink can impact your sleep quality. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. While alcohol may initially make you feel drowsy, it can disrupt your sleep cycle during the night. Instead, consider having a light snack that promotes sleep, such as yogurt or a banana, if you're feeling hungry before bed. 5. Limit naps during the day. While short naps can be beneficial, long or irregular napping during the day can negatively impact your nighttime sleep. If you find yourself needing to nap, aim for a short nap of 20-30 minutes. And avoid napping late in the afternoon. This will help ensure that you're tired enough to fall asleep at your regular bedtime. 6. Get regular exercise. Regular physical activity can help regulate your sleep patterns and improve overall sleep quality. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise on most days, but try to avoid vigorous workouts close to bedtime. Morning or afternoon workouts can be particularly beneficial for promoting better sleep. 7. Manage stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety are significant contributors to sleep disturbances. Incorporate stress-reducing techniques into your daily routine, such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, or journaling. These practices can help calm your mind and prepare you for a more restful night's sleep. 8. Limit exposure to screens before bed. As mentioned earlier, blue light from screens can interfere with melatonin production. Try to limit screen time at least 1 hour before bed. If you must use your devices, consider using blue light filters or glasses that block blue light. Conclusion: improving sleep quality is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. By establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, optimizing your sleep environment, being mindful of your diet, managing stress, and incorporating regular exercise, you can significantly enhance your sleep quality. Remember, everyone's sleep needs are different, so it may take time to find what works best for you. Prioritize your sleep, and you will likely notice improvements in your mood, energy levels, and overall quality of life.